Did you know that because of this, eating with strawberries can actually harm your health? Even with one of the best fruits, strawberries. There are best combinations, and there are foods with bad combinations. Even such good strawberries should be eaten properly for good health. If you eat them with foods that are bad for your body, it can actually harm your health. So, I've prepared this for you. For protecting your health, I will tell you about 3 worst combination foods with strawberries. And 3 best combination foods as well. Hello, I'm your health expert, Dr. John. Are there still some of you who haven't subscribed yet? Please subscribe and press like button right away. Also, please introduce your Dr. John to your precious ones a lot. And please introduce Dr. John a lot. I promise you to keep providing the best health information from now on. When we think of the sweet red fruit, there's one that comes to mind first. Finally, the season of strawberries with its tangy sweetness has returned. During the winter, various new products using strawberries as the main ingredient are released. With their fresh and sweet aroma and taste, you can enjoy strawberries in desserts like strawberry jam, cakes, mochi, strawberry latte, juice, and more. As much as their sweet taste, strawberries are also packed with nutrients. They're not only rich in vitamins but also low in calories and sugar, making them great for boosting immune system and full of antioxidant and anti-disease properties. With amazing health benefits, since ancient Roman times, strawberries have been used as anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving agents. Recently, it's been known that the miraculous components in strawberries can turn back our biological clocks and restore youthfulness, which has garnered tremendous popularity. But hey, did you know that even with such healthy strawberries, there are foods that can harm your health when eaten together? So from now on, let's find out 3 worst combination foods that are bad for your health when eaten with strawberries. And 3 best combination either. At first, the worst combination with strawberries is none other than sugar. Aren't you surprised? You might often enjoy sweet strawberry jam syrup-filled strawberry desserts. But the nutritional combination of strawberries and sugar is really not good. Most of all, it's already well known that sugar isn't good for health, right? Refined white sugar can significantly raise blood sugar levels and increase insulin resistance, leading to chronic inflammation in your body. But why specifically is sugar a bad combination with strawberries? It's all because of the abundance of vitamins in strawberries. Did you know that strawberries are the top source of vitamin C? Yes, strawberries are rich in vitamin C, even more than double that of lemons, 3 times more than oranges, and over 10 times more than apples. Therefore, just 6 strawberries can easily exceed the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. The vitamin C in strawberries is particularly beneficial for boosting immunity, making them excellent for preventing colds and enhancing your energy. You might have many questions here, as many of you have been taking vitamin C supplements lately. You might wonder why you need to consume vitamin C separately as a food. The effect of consuming vitamins naturally through foods like strawberries, and by medications are truly different. In addition to vitamin C, strawberries be one that boosts its efficacy. This is crucial when you consume strawberries directly. The abundant vitamin C in strawberries activates the adrenal cortex, which regulates hormones in the body. And during this process, vitamin B1 in strawberries generates energy, giving vitality to the body and completely relieving fatigue. In these days, you might feel tired and prone to feeling blue for no reason. But consuming strawberries at this time completely solves the problem. But pay attention here. When you consume strawberries with sugar, all the vitamin B1 that energizes the body's metabolism for sugar is consumed. So the efficiency of vitamin C in strawberries drops sharply. And no matter how much you consume strawberries, it becomes useless for fatigue recovery. So, from now on, rather than consuming strawberry jam or syrup-filled strawberry products with sugar, please opt for fresh strawberries to fully enjoy their health benefits. The first best combination with strawberry is milk. Have you ever heard that strawberries are the ultimate elixir of youth? Surprisingly, it's true. Recently, strawberries have been selected as a miraculous food that delays aging and extends lifespan, attracting tremendous attention worldwide. The miraculous antioxidant compound, quercetin in strawberries, is the hero. Our body is made up of cells. And the aging of the body itself means that the cells age. However, there's one serious problem. Aging cells need to be properly expelled from the body. But if circulation doesn't work well as we age, aging cells start wandering around our bodies. These aging cells are called zombie cells because they act similar to zombies in movies, lurking around and attacking healthy cells. These zombie cells roaming our bodies infect healthy cells with inflammation, resulting in even healthy cells aging rapidly. But amazingly, the quercetin in strawberries selectively destroys only the zombie cells, protecting healthy cells and exhibiting tremendous efficacy. And here's the magic. When consumed with milk, it directly acts on brain cells, destroying zombie cells in the brain, thus safeguarding overall brain health such as concentration, forming a miraculous combination. Here is one more nutrition benefits of this strawberry and milk combination. Since strawberries are fruits, they lack protein and fat. But when consumed with milk, the best whole food on earth, it balances nutrition perfectly. Furthermore, the abundant vitamin C in strawberries aids in the absorption of iron in milk, while the citric acid in strawberries assists in the absorption of calcium in milk, making it even more excellent. Secondly, the worst combination with strawberries is desserts like bread. In these days there are various of cafes, bakeries, restaurants introduce a variety of bread, cakes, and dessert menus featuring strawberries. Of course, the problem lies not only in the sugar-filled desserts, but also in the refined carbohydrate, flour. Did you know that the red color of strawberries contains the miraculous antioxidant compound anthocyanin? Strawberries not only look beautiful but also help eliminate toxins and waste from blood vessels, lowering cholesterol levels and serving as the best blood vessel tonic. Moreover, strawberries are rich in dietary fiber called pectin, which absorbs carcinogens and bad cholesterol in blood vessels, promoting smooth blood circulation, and preventing conditions like high blood pressure, hardening of the arteries, strokes, and brain bleeds. But pay attention here. Consuming such beneficial strawberries with flour-based foods like bread renders them useless. Refined carbohydrates like flour raise blood sugar levels when they enter our bodies. And elevated blood sugar levels can lead to the formation of advanced glycation end products, or glycotoxins. These glycotoxins cause chronic inflammation in blood vessels and attack brain cells, becoming the main cause of brain damage. Therefore, no matter how diligently the antioxidants in strawberries clean blood vessels, if flour-derived glycotoxins fill the body with inflammation, it becomes futile. So, from now on, refrain from consuming flour-based food with strawberries, which is packed with health benefits. The second best combination with strawberry is nuts. The miraculous antioxidant compound anthocyanin in strawberries, as I mentioned earlier, is especially beneficial for eye health. It works together with vitamin A in strawberries to prevent dry eyes, cataracts, and glaucoma. And it even protects tired eyes from the blue light emitted by TVs and smartphones. At this point, consuming nuts along with strawberries becomes the ultimate eye health tonic. The vitamin E in nuts is excellent for eye health. But here is the kick. This beneficial vitamin E in nuts needs to be activated with vitamin C. Consuming strawberries, which are rich in vitamin C, ensures that you reap all the benefits of nuts. Furthermore, the vitamin E and omega-3 in these nuts, especially when combined with the youth-preserving compound quercetin in strawberries, become an excellent combination for brain health. So, instead of consuming strawberries with bread, opt for nuts like walnuts and almonds to fully benefit from their eye health benefits and even protect your brain health. Thirdly, using a blender to blend strawberries is the least optimal way to consume them. The reason is simple: when strawberries are exposed to heat or blended in a mixer, especially vitamin C in strawberries is easily destroyed. Now, let me provide you with the perfect methods for selecting good strawberries and consuming them without destroying their nutrients. At top of it, when selecting good strawberries, you should pay attention to the bottom part of the stem. Strawberries with a glossy, vibrant red color all the way to the bottom of the stem are rich in vitamin C and anthocyanins. Additionally, you can gauge the freshness of strawberries by examining the surface fuzz. If the fuzz on the surface of the strawberry is intact, it indicates that the strawberry is freshly picked from the field. Furthermore, strawberries with irregular sizes may indicate improper pollination, resulting in a loss of sweetness, so it's better to choose strawberries with consistent sizes. No matter how good the strawberries you buy are, proper storage and consumption methods are crucial, aren't they? Above all, never soak strawberries in water for more than 30 seconds when washing them. Because vitamin C easily dissolves in water, soaking them for too long will cause the vitamin C to leach out, resulting in loss of sweetness. Also, since vitamin C in strawberries tends to leak from the stem, make sure to remove the stems just before or after washing. Lastly, it's better to consume strawberries raw or mashed, rather than subjecting them to heat or blending in a mixer, if possible. Remember these tips to fully benefit from the health effects of strawberries. Lastly, the best combination with strawberry is absolutely broccoli. The combination of strawberries and broccoli may sound a bit unusual to you. But recently, broccoli strawberry salad with dressing has been incredible. Have you ever heard that strawberries are the ultimate immune-boosting and health-protecting food? That's right. It's because of this effect that since ancient Roman times, strawberries have been prescribed as anti-inflammatory and pain relievers. Interestingly, the tiny seeds embedded in strawberries are the key players here. Strawberry seeds contain a miraculous compound called ellagic acid, which controls and hinders the generation of the health-harming cells and inflammation, completely inhibiting their growth, and even inducing the death of those bad cells. Surprisingly, this process is exactly identical to the superfood broccoli. So, consuming strawberries and broccoli together exhibits a miraculous synergy. It not only completely alleviates inflammation in the body but also sterilizes dangerous cells themselves. And even detoxifies the liver, making it a miraculous anti-disease food. Moreover, in these days, many people suffer from body aches, knee pain, and arthritis. Eating broccoli and strawberries together helps reduce inflammation and alleviate pain, which safeguards bones and stops cartilage enzymes from breaking down. So far, we've looked at the 3 worst combinations to eat with strawberries and the 3 best food combinations. Let's summarize them together. When consuming strawberries, it's better to have them with milk rather than jam or syrup with sugar. Also, instead of having strawberries with bread or desserts, it's preferable to pair them with nuts. Remember to choose ripe strawberries and follow proper consumption methods. Instead of blending them, eat strawberries raw or mashed. Lastly, make sure to enjoy strawberries with broccoli for added health benefits. How does that sound? I hope you'll take good care of your health by consuming strawberries and their best companions. Thank you so much for being with me for this long time. If today's video has been helpful to you, please subscribe and like. And please share it with your beloved family and friends. I'll always pray for your health and happiness. That's all for today's Dr. John. Thank you.